This is why you need to be prepared for Michigan's unpredictable weather. The Upper Peninsula was hit hardest with up to 20 inches of snowfall. Marquette saw up to 20 inches, while Trowbridge Park got 17.7 inches. Munising reported 12.2 inches, and Sault Ste. Marie had lighter snowfall but faced sleet and icy conditions. The Lower Peninsula didn't escape unscathed. Northeastern regions saw up to half an inch of ice, with Gaylord Elmira getting a whopping 1.5 inches. Over 177,000 residents are still without power, down from 227,000. With temperatures dropping into the teens, the risk of hypothermia and burst pipes is high. 3 deaths have been reported in Michigan due to the storm. A 630-foot communications tower collapsed in Petoskey, and many roads are impassable. Stay safe, stay indoors, and stay informed.